Did you know that a total solar eclipse is happening on April 8th? Yes, you heard that right. The cosmic clock is ticking, and the anticipation is building up like a symphony reaching its crescendo. A celestial event of epic proportions is about to unfold, casting a mesmerizing shadow across 15 U.S. states. Imagine this: an estimated 44 million people, their eyes turned skyward, collectively holding their breath as they find themselves in the path of totality. From the sun-kissed beaches of Mexico to the snow-capped peaks of Canada, a journey of several hours will be etched in the memories of those fortunate enough to witness this spectacle. As the skies gradually darken and the temperature drops, the world will momentarily pause, captivated by the dance of celestial bodies. So, what exactly happens before this astronomical spectacle begins? Let's delve into the thrilling pre-eclipse phenomena in our next segment. Before the total solar eclipse reaches its peak, there are several fascinating phenomena to observe. In the moments leading up to the eclipse, the world as we know it begins to subtly transform. Now, let's talk about safety first. It's essential to use protective eyewear when viewing the partial phases of an eclipse. This is because the sun's rays can cause serious damage to your eyes. So, make sure you have your eclipse glasses at the ready, and only remove them during the brief moment of totality. As the moon starts to cover the sun, you might notice a slight drop in temperature. This is due to the diminishing sunlight. It's a strange sensation, an eerie chill in the air that can make the hairs on the back of your neck stand up. It's a stark reminder of just how much we rely on the sun's warmth in our daily lives. You may also observe changes in animal behavior. Birds might go silent or start to roost, and nocturnal animals might become active. It's as if nature itself is holding its breath, waiting for the eclipse to reach its zenith. And then there's one of the most intriguing phenomena of all, the appearance of shadow bands. These are mysterious ripples of light and dark that can be seen on plane-colored surfaces just before and after totality. They've been compared to the patterns you might see at the bottom of a swimming pool. Scientists aren't entirely sure why they occur, but it's thought to be due to the Earth's atmosphere refracting the last slivers of sunlight. These unique occurrences, these whispers of the impending eclipse, serve to heighten the anticipation. They remind us that we're not just spectators, but participants in a grand cosmic event. As these phenomena reach their climax, we find ourselves in the midst of the total solar eclipse. The total solar eclipse is a sight to behold, a rare event where the moon completely covers the sun. It's a cosmic ballet that unfolds in the heavens, a dance of celestial bodies that turns day into night. Imagine standing under the open sky. Suddenly, an eerie twilight descends, not unlike a night with a full moon. Yet, it's different. The environment around you is bathed in an ethereal glow, an otherworldly light that makes everything seem surreal. This is the magic of the total solar eclipse, a spectacle that has inspired awe and wonder throughout the ages. But the enchantment doesn't end there. As the sun's light is blocked by the moon, there's a sudden drop in temperature. It's as if nature itself is holding its breath, waiting for the climax of this celestial drama. You can feel a chill in the air, a reminder of the sun's warmth and energy that we often take for granted. Then comes the most mesmerizing moment. As the moon fully obscures the sun, a dazzling display lights up the sky. The sun's corona, a crown of plasma, becomes visible. This radiant halo, usually hidden by the sun's brightness, glows with an ethereal light. It's a sight that is both beautiful and humbling, a reminder of our small place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Simultaneously, solar flares, those fiery eruptions on the sun's surface, can be seen. These spectacular arcs of light add to the spectacle, creating a visual symphony that leaves spectators spellbound. As the moon continues its path, the sun gradually reappears, marking the end of the total solar eclipse. It's like a curtain call in a grand theatrical performance, a poignant reminder of the cosmic dance that we are all a part of. The return of the light feels like a rebirth, a renewal, a reaffirmation of life's enduring rhythm. And as the day returns to its normal rhythm, we are left with the memory of a magical moment. A moment where we were, for a brief time, intimately connected with the cosmos. The total solar eclipse leaves as quietly as it came, leaving behind a sense of awe and wonder. The world around us slowly awakens, as if from a spell, as the daylight gradually returns to reclaim its dominion. The temperature, which had dropped during the eclipse, begins to rise again, restoring normalcy in the wake of this extraordinary event. As we bask in the afterglow of the eclipse, we can't help but contemplate the significance of what we have just experienced. This celestial spectacle, a dance of shadow and light, is a stark reminder of our place in the vast universe. We are but spectators in the grand cosmic theater, marveling at the wonders that unfold before our eyes. The next total solar eclipse visible in North America will not occur until March 30th, 2033, a fact that makes today's event all the more memorable. It's a reminder that these moments, as fleeting as they may be, are precious opportunities to witness the awe-inspiring mechanics of our solar system. But the beauty of this experience isn't just in the viewing, it's also in the sharing. Each of us, in our own way, has been touched by this event. Perhaps you noticed something peculiar, a pattern of light and shadow, or the way the temperature seemed to drop faster than you expected. Or maybe it was the collective anticipation, the shared silence during totality, that struck a chord with you. Whatever your experience, we encourage you to share it, to add your voice to the chorus of those moved by this celestial event. And so, we find ourselves looking forward to the next celestial spectacle, carrying with us the memories of this remarkable total solar eclipse.